In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on sleep timer on your computer or laptop. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to turn on your sleep timer, you can do this either on your phone or even your computer or laptop. And to do this, just go ahead and open any video that you wish to turn on the sleep timer, and then go ahead and tap on settings. From settings, you should see we have sleep timer here, and currently it is off. To turn it on, go ahead and tap on it, and you can choose the time duration you wish your video to pause. So for instance, I'll go ahead and choose 20 minutes, and this means that after the 20 minutes elapse without direct eye contact, then the video will be paused and you'll receive a silent notification for this action. However, if you wish to turn it off, you can go again to settings and just go ahead and tap on sleep timer, then turn it off. So that's how you can turn your sleep timer on or off for your YouTube account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.